How's it going, people? Welcome back to yet another video of CHAPPIE 2.0. In this video we show you how we paint the metal frame for our disc golf cart. The paint we choose to paint our frame with is from the supplier Tanko, and it's actually a bottom coating which they also use to paint these modified ships. First off, we start with closing off all holes with some screws so we don't get any paint in our screw threads. Before you start painting, make sure you wear gloves, safety glasses and a proper breathing mask. And then it's just applying a few layers of paint with a roller. With this kind of paint you need to wait 24 hours before you apply the next layer of paint. After the paint is dried, we take out all the screws and put in our plastic end caps to close off the frame, preventing water to get in and have a nice end result. That's all, folks, for this episode. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first one to know if we upload a new video. See you later.